Welcome to the exploration of the transformative role of artificial intelligence in auditing. As the digital age reshapes every facet of business, the field of auditing is undergoing a significant shift, one fueled by the rise of intelligent technologies. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It is a present-day tool that is revolutionizing how auditors approach risk, compliance, efficiency, and decision-making. In this chapter, we invite you to explore how AI tools, ranging from machine learning algorithms to natural language processing and predictive analytics, are reshaping audit practices from the ground up. Whether you are an internal auditor, external practitioner, or a student preparing to enter the profession, understanding these innovations is essential. The integration of AI in auditing is not simply about automation. It is about enhancing human judgment, improving accuracy, and expanding audit coverage. AI can process vast amounts of data in real time, detect anomalies and fraud patterns that would be difficult to uncover through traditional methods, and help auditors focus on higher-value tasks. By leveraging AI, audit professionals can move from hindsight to insight, and even foresight. However, embracing AI requires more than just technical implementation. It demands a critical and ethical lens. Questions about data integrity, algorithmic bias, audit transparency, and regulatory alignment must be considered to ensure AI augments rather than undermines the audit process. This chapter marks the beginning of our journey into the exciting and rapidly evolving intersection of AI and auditing. We will unpack how AI tools are used in real-world audit scenarios, explore their benefits and limitations, and provide practical strategies for implementation. From intelligent data extraction to automated risk assessment and smart reporting, the potential is vast, but it must be approached thoughtfully. As you engage with this material, we encourage you to adopt a balanced mindset. Be open to innovation, but also stay grounded in professional skepticism and ethical responsibility. As we venture into the transformative role of AI in auditing, it's essential to understand where we started. Auditing has evolved significantly over the decades. From the manual ledger entries and physical checks of the past to the sophisticated digital tools of today, each step has been a leap towards greater accuracy and efficiency. But now, we're at the threshold of another monumental shift. AI is not just another tool, it's a game changer. Imagine sifting through thousands of transactions in mere seconds, identifying anomalies with pinpoint accuracy, and generating insights that were previously unimaginable. This isn't just about speeding up processes, it's about elevating the entire audit function. AI brings a level of precision and insight that can redefine your approach to auditing. It's about harnessing the power of cutting-edge technology to make audits more comprehensive, more accurate, and ultimately, more valuable. In this introductory video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing auditing and what this means for auditors and organizations alike. Let's continue our journey and discover the new horizons AI is opening up in the world of auditing. The world of auditing is changing. Artificial intelligence, once the stuff of science fiction, is now a reality. AI is transforming how audits are conducted, making them more efficient and insightful. This isn't about robots replacing human auditors. Instead, AI tools are empowering auditors to work smarter, not harder. They can automate tedious tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and even communicate findings more effectively. In this new era of auditing, understanding AI is no longer optional. It's essential for any auditor who wants to stay ahead of the curve. So, what exactly is AI? In simple terms, AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, understanding language, and solving problems. In auditing, AI takes many forms. Some AI tools can analyze financial data to detect anomalies that might indicate fraud. Others can automate repetitive tasks like data entry or document review. The key takeaway is that AI is here to assist auditors, not replace them. It's about augmenting human capabilities, allowing auditors to focus on higher-level tasks that require judgment and experience. Understanding the basics of AI is crucial for auditors. It allows them to identify opportunities to leverage AI tools and make informed decisions about how to integrate these tools into their work. Let's meet some of the AI tools transforming the auditing landscape: ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Invideo AI. Each tool brings unique capabilities to the table, revolutionizing different aspects of the audit process. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a powerful language model. It excels at understanding and generating human-like text. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you brainstorm risks, draft audit procedures, or even write client communications. Microsoft Copilot is another game-changer. This AI-powered tool integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office applications, automating tasks and providing intelligent suggestions. For auditors, Copilot can analyze financial data, generate reports, and even help with documentation. Lastly, Invideo AI is a video creation platform that makes it easy to create professional-looking videos. Auditors can use Invideo AI to communicate findings to clients in an engaging and easy-to-understand format. Imagine you're starting a new audit engagement. You need to identify potential risks and develop a comprehensive audit plan. This is where ChatGPT shines. You can ask ChatGPT open-ended questions like, "What are the key risks for a manufacturing company?" ChatGPT will generate a list of potential risks based on its vast knowledge base, helping you kickstart your risk assessment process. ChatGPT can also help you develop audit procedures. For example, you can ask, "What are some procedures to test the completeness of revenue?" ChatGPT can generate a list of relevant procedures, saving you time and ensuring comprehensive coverage. Furthermore, ChatGPT can assist in drafting client communications. It can help you explain complex accounting concepts in simple terms, making your reports more understandable for clients. Your AI-powered audit assistant. It's like having an intelligent assistant by your side throughout the audit process. Imagine you're reviewing a client's financial statements in Excel. The AI can analyze the data in real time, identify trends, and flag any anomalies that might require further investigation. It can even generate insightful visualizations, making it easier to spot patterns and outliers. The AI also shines in automating repetitive tasks. For example, if you need to perform a journal entry test, the AI can automate the process of selecting a sample, retrieving supporting documentation, and documenting your work. This frees up auditors to focus on more complex areas of the audit, like evaluating the effectiveness of internal controls or assessing the appropriateness of accounting policies. Making audit reports more engaging. Gone are the days of dry, text-heavy audit reports. AI empowers auditors to communicate their findings in a more engaging and impactful way through video. Imagine presenting your audit findings to the board of directors using a short, visually appealing video. AI makes this easy, even for auditors with no prior video editing experience. You can use AI to create animated explainer videos that break down complex accounting concepts, highlight key findings, and provide recommendations. These videos can enhance client communication, making it easier for them to understand the audit process and the significance of your findings. AI and risk assessment. Staying one step ahead. Risk assessment is a critical part of any audit. Auditors need to identify and assess the risks of material misstatement, whether due to fraud or error. AI tools can significantly enhance this process. As mentioned earlier, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for brainstorming potential risks. By providing ChatGPT with information about the client and their industry, auditors can generate a comprehensive list of risks to consider. Microsoft Copilot can also play a role in risk assessment. By analyzing financial and non-financial data, Copilot can identify patterns and anomalies that might indicate heightened risk. For example, Copilot might detect unusual transactions, inconsistencies in data, or changes in financial ratios that warrant further investigation. This allows auditors to focus their attention on the areas of highest risk. Materiality and independence in the age of AI. Materiality and independence are fundamental principles in auditing. Materiality refers to the significance of an item or error in the financial statements. Independence refers to the auditor's objectivity and lack of bias. AI tools can assist auditors in applying these principles. For example, AI can help auditors understand and apply materiality guidelines. Auditors can ask AI questions like, "What factors should I consider when determining materiality?" AI can also play a role in maintaining independence. By automating tasks and providing objective analysis, AI tools can help reduce the risk of auditor bias. However, it's important to note that AI tools should not replace the auditor's professional judgment. Auditors must carefully evaluate the output of AI tools and exercise their professional skepticism. Looking ahead. AI's future in the audit landscape. The use of AI in auditing is still in its early stages, but the potential is vast. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the audit profession. One exciting area of development is the use of AI for continuous auditing. Imagine a future where AI tools constantly monitor a client's financial data, providing real-time insights and alerts. This would enable auditors to identify and address issues more quickly and proactively. Another promising area is the use of AI to enhance audit quality. AI tools can help auditors improve their risk assessments, test controls more effectively, and detect fraud more accurately. The future of AI in auditing is bright. By embracing these transformative technologies, auditors can enhance their skills, improve audit quality, and provide even greater value to their clients. As we've journeyed through the fascinating world of AI in auditing, we've seen how this technology is revolutionizing the field. From its early beginnings to the sophisticated tools we have today like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Invideo AI, the evolution has been remarkable. AI is not just a tool, but a powerful ally that helps auditors brainstorm, enhance their reports, and stay ahead in an ever-changing landscape. We've explored how AI can assist in maintaining materiality and independence, and even peeked into a future where continuous auditing becomes the norm, providing real-time insights and enhancing audit quality. As auditors, embracing AI can elevate our profession, allowing us to provide even greater value to our clients. So, whether you're a seasoned auditor or just starting your career, now is the time to familiarize yourself with these AI tools and integrate them into your practice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the future of auditing. And as always, stay curious and keep innovating.